Vibrant world of the tropics, a tiny jewel flits through the air. The hummingbird, nature's most exquisite acrobat. Its wings beat faster than the eye can see, up to 80 times per second. They are the only birds capable of true hovering. Their unique wing structure allows them to rotate their wings in a figure-8 motion, enabling them to hover in place, fly backward, and even upside down. It needs to feed every few minutes to fuel its high-energy lifestyle. In return, it pollinates the flowers, helping the forest to thrive. These birds are as beautiful as they are agile.